In today's video, we're talking about how to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing.
But if you close your eyes,
All right, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day today. And like I said, in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. All right, so what is the secret sauce here, right? Like, what's the secret ingredient that most people are missing, right? Why do the majority of people who get started with affiliate marketing end up failing or never making a lot of money? And this is it right here. The major reason, there's obviously several reasons, but one of the major reasons why most people never succeed with affiliate marketing and never make a lot of money is because they're only promoting low ticket products, right? So the answer here, the solution, is to have a value ladder in place where you're offering, where you're selling, where you're promoting other additional higher value, higher price products on the back end, right? So you have a top tier product mix of products that kind of stair step up, if you will, right? So, and most people are missing this. 90% of people aren't implementing this one strategy, this high ticket formula right here. By the way, this is called high ticket affiliate marketing for those of you who are kind of new to this whole concept. But anyways, most people are selling lotions, potions, pills, and juices, which, there's nothing wrong with selling lotions, potions, pills, and juices. That's great, but they stop right there, right? And they have nothing else on the back end, right? So, if you're just simply selling this bottle of lotion, let's say it's 20 bucks, it kicks out a $2 commission, you're gonna have to make a gazillion sales if you wanna make any serious money, right? So let me give you an illustration here. Let's say that you're an affiliate for this affiliate marketing program and you're promoting their course, which goes for $25. Right? Let's say it's just like a 10-step blueprint course on the basics, the fundamentals of how to make money online, right? And you get a $25 commission every time you make a sale on this course. And your monthly income goal, let's say, is $5,000, right? You want to hit $5,000 a month. Well, by selling this course at $25, you're going to have to make, what is that? As 200 sales, right? You're going to have to make 200 sales in a month to hit that monthly income goal of $5,000. Right? Which, is definitely attainable if you have a big audience and a big following, or if you're really good at paid marketing and you have a lot of money to pump into paid advertising. But for the average person, kind of getting started out with affiliate marketing, that's probably not going to be very likely, to be able to get 200 sales in a month, right? That's quite a bit if you think about it. But now I want you to imagine real quick that you have other additional products on the back end, right? So you still have that $25 course, but now you have other products that you can upsell your customer, right? So once they purchase that $25 course and they see the value that you provide them, now you can offer other additional courses, products, services, whatever it is on the back end. Let's say the next product is $1,000 course, right? And that's obviously it's $1,000, right? So it's going to be a much more valuable course, and it's going to give more information. It's going to expose more secrets or whatever, get into more meat and minutia, right? And then you have another course on top of that one that goes for $2,500, right? So by having these extra couple courses here, the $1,000 course, you only have to make 5 sales on that course now to hit $5,000 a month, right? And then this course or this product here that goes for $2,500, you only got to make 2 sales in a month to hit that monthly income goal of $5,000. All right, so the point I'm trying to make here is there's multiple different ways that you can hit that number of $5,000 a month, or whatever your number is, right? If your number is $10,000 a month or just whatever. But the point I'm trying to make is there's many different ways you can get there. And it's gonna be a lot easier and a lot faster to get there if you have these other higher priced products on the back end, right? And a question that always comes up, people always say, well, isn't it gonna be a lot more difficult to sell those higher priced products? Like, man, a product for $1,000, $2,500, like nobody's gonna buy that, right? And trust me, that's what I thought too at first. I was like, what the heck, man? Like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to sell this course for $2,500. Nobody's gonna buy that, right? It's too expensive. but that's where I was wrong. All right, I was blown away, guys. Like, this is what I didn't understand is people are thirsty for knowledge. They're hungry for information, right? They want solutions to their problems, right? And if you, as the affiliate, can give this person a course, a product, a service that gives them the solution to their problem, bingo, cha-ching, you're gonna make some fat commissions, all right? And I'm telling you, that person will be more than happy to pay $1,000, $2,500, $5,000 for that product, for that course, if it solves their problem, all right? I mean, you gotta think about it. You know, there's people around the world selling these high ticket digital courses going for $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. People are hosting these private masterminds around the world, you know, that go for $20,000, that go for $30,000 and upwards. All right, it's crazy, and people are paying for these every single day. All right, so you know, there's always going to be a percentage of people who are going to buy those upsells if you offer them to your customer or to your client. All right, so like I said, you know, you still want to have your low ticket entry level products. You know, that's kind of your tripwire, kind of your front end product. You know, high value, low price to get them through the door. Once they're in the door and they see the value that you're giving them, then like I said, you upsell them and offer them these higher price products. And like I said, there's always going to be people who are going to buy those upsells, and that's where you're going to make a lot of money. That's when you're going to see your income shoot through the roof, right? I'm telling you, you're going to 10x, you're going to 100x your income so fast, right? This is how I'm doing thousands and thousands of dollars on this YouTube channel that has less than 200 subscribers at the time of shooting this video. I mean, it's crazy, right? I mean, there's no way I could do that if I was promoting, you know, simply just low price products, right? That kick up these little $5, $10 commissions. I would have to make a gazillion sales, which isn't possible with a small following, right? But by promoting high ticket products, now I only have to make a couple sales in a month, right? By selling products that go for $2,500, $5,000 and upwards, you only got to make 1 or 2 sales a month, and you hit your number, you hit your monthly income goal, right? So I really hope that makes sense. I hope that resonates with you guys, you know, because this, you know, there's not many people utilizing this formula. This is why so many people are failing, right? And this is so powerful, guys. Like I said, this is the power. This is high ticket affiliate marketing, and this is how people are doing $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month. There's even people doing upwards of $100,000 in a single month. All right, it's crazy, and we're on our way there right now. It's super exciting. I know you can do this too. If you implement this formula, you can make it happen, my friend. All right, and then one other thing that's super cool about promoting high ticket products and courses is that you're generally gonna attract a much more high quality customer, right? If you're only promoting these low ticket items, you're generally gonna attract a low quality, low value customer, right? Somebody who's gonna be kind of a hassle to work with and trying to, you know, nickel and dime you for everything, right? Versus, you know, it's kind of like the difference between a Honda dealership and a Bugatti dealership, right? You go to the Honda dealership, you're gonna see a lot more hagglers and refunders, right? People who are gonna try to squeeze every penny out of you, right? Like I said, they're gonna be a lot more of a hassle to work with. Versus you go over here to the Bugatti dealership, and you know, the guy walks into the Bugatti dealership, he's got the money, he knows what he wants, and he's not afraid to pay for it, right? So it's super awesome, you know, by selling these high ticket products, like I said, you're gonna be working with people who are a lot more sophisticated and pleasant in their knowledge and expectations of you, and you know, people who actually get it, right? And they're gonna be a lot more fun to do business with. All right, so I believe that about wraps it up for this video. I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm missing. I really hope that, like I said, I really hope that resonates and makes sense with you guys, because if you can implement this value ladder, you're gonna make so much more money with affiliate marketing. All right, so if you're currently in an affiliate marketing program right now, or you're looking to get started, I highly recommend, you know, going online, do a bit of research. You know, first and foremost, you know, pick a product that you believe in, right? You gotta be passionate about what you're promoting. You gotta believe in the product, otherwise it's just gonna crumble, it's gonna fall apart, it's not gonna work. So that's first and foremost, but then when you pick a product, you know, make sure they have a value ladder in place of other additional higher ticket products on the back end, right? And like I said, if you do that, you're gonna be able, you know, your income is gonna go through the roof. You're gonna be able to make so much more money, so much quicker. All right, and if you wanna check out my #1 recommended high ticket affiliate marketing program that I'm currently using to make a full-time income online, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description. You can feel free to check that out. And then with that being said, I believe that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So I wanna say thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you stopping by, hanging out here today. I hope you got some value from this video. And if you have any, if this didn't quite resonate with you, if you still have some questions, if you're still a bit confused, feel free to leave the questions down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you on those. Or you can reach out to me via email or social media. I'd be more than happy to have a one-on-one Skype call with you or whatever, and go into more details and more meat and minutia on this whole high ticket formula. But yeah, anyways, like I said, that's gonna do it for this video. And if you guys want to see more videos, just like this one, then I want to invite you to go down below, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get more content, more videos just like this one. All right, I want to invite you to join the movement with us here at Freedom Movement, because that's what this channel is all about, helping you to create a lifestyle of freedom so that you can do what you want, when you want, with who you want. All right, so anyways, I hope you have a terrific rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
How you do that?